In this video, we are going to see how we can deal with other assets, which is neither a current asset nor a fixed asset. As you can see in this transaction, it says on 4th of January, security deposit paid by cash for shop taken on rent. Obviously, when acquiring a new shop or a new premises, you have to give some security deposit. But security deposit is neither a fixed asset nor a current asset, because it's neither contributing in the day-to-day operations like plant and machinery, motor vehicles, something like that. And neither it is for less than 1 year, which makes it a current asset. So you can call it an other asset because it remains with the owner until we leave the premises. And only then we can get this asset or security deposit back. So let's see how we can deal with this in Sage. I'll simply make the journal entry because this transaction is a non-trading activity, right? So we'll go to the banking section and click on enter journal entry, or we can click on list and enter the journal entry from here. So either way is correct. New journal entry, and the transaction is of 4th of January. So let's change the date here, 4th of January. Reference is automatically set, which is the third transaction, and it is security deposit. So we have to locate an asset account, but that should be other asset account. So let's scroll down until we see the right area. This is under expenses, other current asset. Okay, what we have elsewhere. Okay, what we can do here is after the other current asset, I'll just mention it as 1450 because 1450 is free. First is 1400 code and then comes 1600. So either I can create it on 1450 or we can create it on 1500. So let's choose 1500 as a code. Click on new and let's write here 1500. So this is security deposit, and the account type, I'll select it as other assets and click save and close. Now I can choose that 1500. Security deposit is selected. Let's quickly copy the description and paste it right here. The debit amount is 18,000. So let's mention 18,000, but just be careful with the zeros because zeros after decimal places as well. So just don't confuse it with that. And credit is cash. Let's credit it here and just mention the same amount. Now the beauty of accounting software is when you put the debit or credit and either of the balance is incorrect, it will not allow you to save the transaction. Always the out of balance should be 0. If the out of balance is not 0, it will not execute the command. So this eliminates a lot of errors which we normally have in the manual accounting. So that's the power of it. Just click save, and that's how we deal with the security deposit in Sage. Just try it by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.